27 on the September Madness Automation Challenge, and today I'm going to show you how to deploy your chatbots onto your own website, right? So yesterday we spent some time, I walked you through step by step how to make this chatbot, right? Step by step. You guys can copy it and you'll have it right here, okay? So deploying is a whole different kind of ones, right? So let's just click here on deploy, okay? So you first have to publish it. We've done that last video, but see, once you publish it, you can't really make a change. You can, but it will unpublish it. So just make sure you're done with everything, alright? You can't do anything, remember. So just go ahead and click deploy, and you got these three here, alright? I want you to click on this one, right? Because we're gonna want to customize it, okay? So alright, so give it a name, give it a description, and yeah, so this, you know how it's gonna, you've seen these on other websites where it's like a little bit of circle in the corner and the chatbot comes up, right? So go ahead and customize that to your needs. Let's just this is still step by step, so let's just make it, we're gonna base this off the most popular restaurant in the world, right? So let's just put this like an orange, right? Set that there, and let me get the logo of him. Let me get his logo, alright? That is right, that is our logo, right? So that's this. Starting message, how can I help you today? You can change that if you want. Maybe we should change it just whatever, so I'll show you can just change whatever you want. Oh, that's nice, well that. Hello, what can we do? Yep, what can we do for you? Alright, for clickable. So this one is like, if you click the circle on the bottom right, which will have like some boxes where conversation starters, like we can make up for this. Let's just say our knowledge base was allergy, like menu info, information on the menu. Can we discuss when are your opening hours? And yeah, we got another one if you want. And what time can we make reservations, alright? Just like yesterday. One of these, alright, got these 3 starters, max 3, alright. Widget size, make it large, because that's what we do. It's kind of funny how to have this turned off automatically, but you should really turn this on, okay? Because it's credibility, alright, it's good. Auto display widget on your page load, yeah, keep that there. And yeah, that should be it. Quite simple, okay? I told you this is quite simple. So let's go ahead, I'll show you how it would look like this. Alright, little circle at the bottom. See, conversation starters can write your own message. This is how it will look like, okay? Now let's go ahead and try and put this onto your website, okay? Alright, so there's two different situations here. Say the most common situation is that you're using a website builder from the internet. Say like some small company, you don't really want to learn how to build a website. Just use some website on the internet, right? Something like Zyro and stuff like that, alright? There's actually videos here, right? I'll show you. Click here on learn, go to the bottom right. It will show you how to do it on these like websites, okay? So say if you're stuck, right? You go ahead and click this and walk you through the common website. But today I'm going to teach you how to do it if you're using a website from Code, right? You're written the code line by line, and you want to put one of these chatbots in, alright? So let's just go back, click on our website, go to deploy. Hopefully everything's still there. Everything's back how it started. Okay, now let's go ahead and click create deployment. See what happens. So we get this piece of code, alright? Now I told you on how to do this if you have a coded website. So we'll be doing the VS Code today. So it's simply as easy. It should be as simple as easy as copy and pasting it into the right place. Okay, so let me show you that. Make a completely fresh JS page and add it to your components. All right, and just copy and paste it in. Make some changes if you want. All right, and all you have to do is link this chatbot to your app.js page. All right, I can't show you this website. But I'll just make a fresh page and I'll just like show you, alright? So I'm going to connect the chatbot to this blank page and I'll show how it looks. So again, just make a component called chatbot.js, copy and paste your code that we got from Agentive, and just link this chatbot component to the whatever page you want it to be on, right? So we'll just make a blank page and I'll show how it looks. Yep, just a blank page, and look, top bottom right corner, and there's our boy. Can we discuss menu options? Yes, we can, alright? So short video today. Let me know if you want me to show you it on a working website. I can build like or just a random one, alright? And yeah, that's hopefully I see you in day 28.